we are looking at a case such that y cannot be negative. And since the coefficient of x squared is a positive number, that means if I were to graph this, it is going to be a smiley face. And if y cannot be negative, that means this smiley face must be either strictly above the x-axis, or this smiley face must be just touching the x-axis. And if it were to be a case that is like this, letting this be equal to 0 will give me a discriminant that is strictly less than 0. If it were to be this case, the discriminant should be equal to 0. So let's consider the discriminant of this to be able to handle this and this scenario. So for it to be less than or equal to 0. And the discriminant is going to be b squared minus 4ac. This is less than or equal to 0. So this is k squared plus 4k plus 4 minus this is less than or equal to 0. So we have a k squared minus 4k plus 4. This is less than or equal to 0. Factorizing this further, we have a k minus 2 square is less than or equal to 0, which means that we are looking at two cases. One is when this is less than 0, or the other is when this is equal to 0, because this is k minus 2 square is less than or equal to 0. For k minus 2 square to be strictly less than 0, it is not possible. So we will not be able to find any values of k here. As for this to be equal to 0, k is going to be equal to 2. And therefore, we have proven that there's just going to be one value of k such that y cannot be negative. And this value of k is definitely 2.